Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Luevrianus Pasingki Sollu. My major nautical department level 1. I am from AIPI Makassar, and my friend.
My name is SAHRUL. My major nautical department level 1. I am from AIPI Makassar.
Your picture are really beautiful.
Thank you. They were taken right after the ceremony
Where was the ceremony?
at the shrine.
That's interesting. Were there a lot people there?
Yes, of course. All family members with guests were there.
What a nice custom. I'm curious.
Indeed, your pictures are really beautiful.
Thank you. They were taken right after the ceremony.
Where was the ceremony?
And that's right.
That's interesting. Were there a lot of people there?
Yes, of course. All family members with guests were there.
What a nice custom. I am curious.
Indeed,